than yours, much bigger. And you try to be a monkey to try to see forward and drive it at the same time.
It's actually when you're too short.
Oh, when you are too short as well.
For the boat.
Hello, our trip starts officially right now from Australia, Sydney to Slovenia. Gonna be long 3 to 4 months of a trip. Of course, we're gonna have stops along the way. We'll visit Indonesia, Hagos if we have the permission. We're still waiting for the confirmation. Hagos archipelago. So Egypt, Suez Channel, Greece. Of course, we're gonna stop to see some family and friends. And we are on the way now. It's super windy today, super windy. It calms down, but after when it picks up, it's very strong. So we're gonna take that chance to go a bit faster. Our next stop gonna be Cairns. A bit warmer, I hope much warmer than this because I can't handle it anymore. So that's gonna be. We hope we'll reach there soon, maybe in 6 days. It's 1,200 miles if I'm not mistaken. So that's the news for now. So just keep going.